Look, this is part 2. Check it out. Z Fold 7. Okay? This is the 7. Nice and thin. Right? Look how thin this is. Line it up right there. Okay? This is the 6. The new 7, it's this, look, it's the size of the 1/2. Look, this is the 1/2. They made it like they cut the size in half. Okay? But still kept big wide screen. Look how thick that is. Look, see that? Look how thin that is. Folded it up. Look. Let me fold this one up. The 7 is bananas. It is bananas. Look, now I'm going to show you the hinge thing I'm talking about. If you look right here, you see that little opening? The 6, the 5, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 all had that. This is why the maintenance on this phone was so much. I sent my phone back to Samsung 4 or 5 times because of that little hole right there. The 7? The 7? Look, they closed it up. No particles getting into your mainframe. This is incredible, man. Listen, watch this, watch this. Got big hands here. My thumb is going to cross this thing. I have to crank my finger up. Look how far I have to crank my thumb up to be able to do any operating of this phone. It's like the 7, my whole thumb, look, my whole thumb's going to cross this. Easy to operate. The 6, it's so hard to dial a number with one hand. With one hand. Texting is like insane. Okay, I'm just telling you, if you're a fold person, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Samsung responded to us. Okay, I'm a Samsung guy, Ryan. I ain't gonna hold you. Apple, I got a surprise for y'all next. I got something for y'all next. I got something for y'all in another video. But right now, I'm blown away. Okay, this is the Galaxy. This is the Galaxy 25, widescreen. It's just as wide compared to the 6. Look how skinny that is. How skinny this is. Okay, to the 7, almost the same size. Samsung did it. They did it. They just blown everybody out the frame with the foldable phones, hands down. I got part 3 coming up. I'm going to show you before we go to Apple. I got part 3 coming.